And now let's draw another, isn't it? So let's go to File, click on New. Now here is our another new document, and here we will draw another cartoon face. So let's take a look here. So which part do you think is difficult? Eyes? No, it's not, because we can do that using the ellipse tool. This face part you can think, right? Drawing this face, because this nose is just a single line. And this smile, see? Smile you can draw. It's really very simple. Just draw an arc and from down draw another arc. Well, you need to be a bit more precise about that. See, there you go. There is a cute smile. You can even draw like this and this. Okay, let me show it using a new document. Here is the one. So how we can draw smile? This and this. See, this is a smile. You can even draw like this and just match it like this. So this and this, this and this. Well, this one is looking like smile, right? Let's select it. And another thing which you may find difficult is drawing this face shape, only one part, right? And this can be drawn like this. See, an arc, another arc, and there you go. This is the smiling part, okay? And this is the chin, and here will be the eyes. See, there you go. You can even draw like this. These are very simple. These are simple one-sided face. But for complex, arc, smile, and there you go. Arc, an arc, a smile, and there you go. Oops, not this one. Let me delete everything here. So I'm just showing you all of these things so that you can grab the concept of how to draw a cartoon face. See, now what we can do, select it and select the reflect tool, alt click at this anchor point, click on copy, and there you go. See, now it's a face, isn't it? It's really a cool trick, isn't it? And now let's select these two, decrease its size a little bit. And now how we can draw hair? Select the brush tool. Well, first we need ear, right? Ear is very simple. See, just like this. Just like this. These are all, not this one. These are all ears. And you know, let me show you another trick. Say for example, you want this to be your ear. You don't have to draw ear every time. You can make a custom brush and you can use that, isn't it? Well, let me do that. Select using the selection tool, this one, drag it here. Let's make it an art brush. Click on OK. Let's click on OK. And let's select this one. Now select the brush tool and let's draw an arc. See, You can always select it and you can rotate it. You can even go to object, expand appearance, select using the selection tool, and you can rotate it to your preferred direction. See, just like this. Okay, so this is how you can draw ear. Let me delete all of these, and this is just by using a custom brush. Even you can make this cartoon face. So I will provide you this face.ai file. No worry about that. And see this smile? See? An arc, draw another arc just beneath it with a bit more angle, right? Okay. So what I was telling, I just forgot. Yeah. So say for example, we want to make this a brush, right? So let me select it and let's drag it here and let's make it an art brush. Click on OK. Let's click on OK. Now select the brush tool, select this brush and draw a face. See, you don't have to draw even. You can just, well, let me see a preview of these. I think this is the one. Let's see. No, 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 no. Not this is the one. I think this is the direction. Yup. Okay, yeah. This is the direction. See. Draw. I mean, click at a point. Start drawing and hold the shift key. See? Many cartoon faces. Well, all these are same, of course. But still, you don't have to waste much time, right? You can draw different types of cartoon faces at one time. You can save those cartoon faces and then you can use that. And remember to save it using save brushes. Here is an option, save brushes. And say for example, I recommend that you save all of your brushes in another folder and try to use it from there only. Okay. So that's all, guys. Let's draw another face, right? So let's go to new. And yeah, this one we were drawing, right? And how we can draw the hair? It's 4 parts, right? Say here is we have another ear. Now 4 arcs. 1, 2, third one, and the 4th one. And here, say like this, something like this, another like this, and just join. There you go. And here we'll have some eyes. Here we will have a nose, and here we will have a smile. See? There you go. See? One arc and the second arc, just like this. And we have a smile. And for eyes, first one with white fill and black stroke, that's fine. Now edit copy, edit, paste in front, make it fill black, no stroke, and now reduce its size. And while reducing, make sure to hold the alt key and the shift key, both, just like this. Again, Control C to copy and Control F to paste in front. Make its color white. Reduce its size. Zoom in to work more efficiently. And just place it here, just like this. Now after drawing an eye, select it using the selection tool, hold the alt key and drag it here, and while dragging make sure to hold the shift key. There you go, there is your second eye. See? Well, I think the smile is a little bit odd here. What do you think? No, it's fine only, right? Oh my god, it's many faces. Let's close it. Let's not save it. Let's open the original face one. Yup, this is the one. This is that cute looking boy. This is another cute looking boy. This is another which we have made it now only. And this is another face. I will provide all of these 3 files, so no worry about that, and try to do it yourself. You have got all the tricks how we can draw a cartoon face. It's really very simple, isn't it? Okay friend, so that's all. I think that you have learned something from this project, and hopefully you are liking this course also. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.